Good morning, class. Hope you all are fine. So, all your unit tests are over, isn't it? And so now we have to prepare for what? For half yearly examinations. So, student, we will be doing two more chapters. That is a visit to Granny. Another one is this chapter we will be doing, and the another one is festival. Okay, so these two chapters will be added for your half yearly examination. Okay, so today I'm going to start with chapter 6. Please take out your books. Yes, please take out your books. Hope you all are ready. So for all of you have done well in your unit test examination. Hope now you will be preparing for your half yearly. As you know, coming month is half yearly examination. As we will get the dates and all, we will surely inform you. We will give it in the group. It's clear to you, children? So ready? I'm starting. A visit to Granny. Joya and Mummy are going to visit Granny. Granny loves fruits. Mummy wants to buy fruits for Granny. Joya goes to the fruit shop with Mummy. So, here are two characters. Who are they? Joya and Mummy. Where they are planning to go? To visit Granny. Granny loves fruit. What she loves to eat? Fruits. So who will buy? Obviously Mummy. Mummy is going to buy fruits for Granny. Joya goes to the fruit shop with Mummy. On the way they see many other shops. So when they're walking, so when you go to the shops, fruit shops in a market, you find many shops, and there were many shops over there of different kinds of things selling over there. Okay, see, there's the pictures of different shops. See, toy shop is there, book shop is there, and the shop where the clothes are sold. So they reach to the fruit shop. It is a big shop. How was the shop, children? It was a very big fruit shop. And the shop had lots of fruits. Okay? Now we'll come to know what kinds of fruits. There are red apples in the shop. There are yellow mangoes in the shop. There are green melons and purple grapes too. So far, what are the things are there in the shop? They saw red apples, yellow mangoes, green melons, and grapes also. Next, there are brown chicus and oranges. There are bunch of yellow bananas too also. Chicus and orange and bananas were also there in the shop. Okay. Joya and Mummy buy lots of fruit because they are going to Granny's place, no? So they want to take fruits for Granny. So varieties of the fruits they have selected and they have taken. The shopkeeper takes a basket. He puts the melon, mangoes on one side and he puts the bananas on the other side, and he puts the orange and grapes on the top, and the fruits basket looks lovely. So, actually when you go to the fruit shops, the fruit man knows which fruit to keep in which place, because some fruits are juicy, some fruits are little fleshy. So according to that, they settle all the fruits. The shopkeeper settled all the fruits in that way in the basket. And when all colorful fruits were put on the basket, it was looking very beautiful, Mummy gives money to the shopkeeper and takes the basket. Obviously, when you go to the market, children, you find when your parents buy something, after buying, they have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay? So after the fruits were bought, Mummy had to give cash to whom? To the shopkeeper. Joya, Granny, we will be so happy to get fruits basket. So saying Granny, Joya was very happy because first of all, she's going to meet a granny after a long time with her mother. And mother is also happy because mother is going to meet her own mother. And what are they taking? Fruits for her. So Joy was thinking that Granny loves fruit to eat, isn't it? So she will be very happy when she gets the fruits. Mummy, we too will feel happy. And Mummy said, see, we will also feel happy. As Grandma will feel happy while getting the fruits, we will also be happy when she accepts the fruits. To see her happy, we will also feel happy. Why, children, when you give gift to somebody, suppose daddy, mummy gives you gift. When you're very happy about the gift, what happened? You also feel happy to see that parents are also happy at the same time. Understood? Because by giving gifts, the love is exchanged, okay? Love from inside is exchanged. So, Joya and Joya mother was also feeling happy that they're going to take something for their granny. See how nicely the pictures there. I love you, Granny is written here, see? And so beautifully the fruits are decorated here. It's all set up here. So today we read a story where a small child and with her mother goes to visit a granny, and when she goes, they think of taking what for granny? Granny loves to eat fruit. So they try to take a basket of fruits, all various type of fruits. So they went to the market to buy, and from the market they bought the fruits, and each fruits had different colors like apple red, mango yellow, banana yellow, orange, yes, then purple grapes. See, the fruits are there and the fruits colors are also mentioned. So you children, you also have to know this, which fruit, which color, okay? So today I explained you this chapter. This chapter I have explained you. So today homework is, you will only do the reading nicely. Okay? See that you do the reading. And all the spellings also we will be doing it. Okay? And the spellings which I'll be giving you, those I'll take it in the spelling classes. Okay, children? So next class, we will be doing exercises. Okay, children? We'll do the exercises and question answers we'll do at the last. First we'll complete all the exercises and then we'll do the question answers the last. Hope children you understood the story. And so this week only what? For today class I've only given you reading. So please read. So next class we'll proceed with the exercises. Okay. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself. Yes, children. Take care. Be happy. And I'm just missing my class, children, because I'm really anxiously waiting to see your cute, lovely, sweet, and what? Cheerful faces. I don't know when the corona will get over. So let us pray that we meet very soon. Okay?